Bitcoin broke through $31,000. The moment we've all been waiting for is here. Everybody's calling for the next bull market, new all-time highs, and everybody's euphoric. And that is exactly the problem. I had an appearance on Crypto Banter where I explained exactly how the DXY is going to retrace to the daily equilibrium and reject hard. There's a very good example and a representation of what could play out on Bitcoin as well. Now that show aired on the 13th of August, and since then the DXY did exactly what I predicted. Retrace to the daily equilibrium and reject it hard. Now in this video, I'll explain to you why a $23,000 Bitcoin is still in the cards, what is the daily equilibrium, and what levels and confirmations you have to look for if this scenario plays out. What's up? My name is 𝗥𝗲𝗹 and I'm the guy who will help you become a consistently profitable trader. If you follow my content, you know that we caught this move very early and we're long from 26,000, but this is not the time to look for more longs. Although Bitcoin looks extremely bullish on the lower time frame, for example on the 4 hour and the daily, it might just be coming back to the daily equilibrium on the weekly. It will collect liquidity, touch onto the equilibrium, and potentially dump back down to 22,000 or even lower. Equilibrium and liquidity, I know it sounds a little bit complicated, but bear with me because I'm gonna boil it down for you. Now, you know I always talk about premium and discount zones, and I always talk about a 50% retracement. In essence, it basically says that markets move in ways: a push and a pullback. Now the pullback has to be at least a 50% retracement on any given push. Now that level at the 50% is what we call the equilibrium. On that leg, the levels above the 50% is called premium and the levels below 50% is called discount. You always want to buy in discount and always want to sell in premium. Now, if there was no 50% retracement on any given leg, but there was a continuation, we have to watch out for it and keep in mind that a 50% retracement will come at some point, even if it takes a year, as we saw in 2021. As I said in the beginning of the video, Bitcoin is retracing to the daily equilibrium because it did not have a 50% retracement since 15th of November 2021, which is almost 2 years now. Looking at the charts, I can see that the daily equilibrium is around $41,000, making it a crucial level for lower time frame reversal and a potential higher time frame continuation to the downside. So what levels we should look for and how we can confirm that this is just a retracement to the equilibrium and then a continuation down. There are two major points of interest we have to pay attention to. Number one is the 37,500 to 40,000 region. Although this level is below the daily equilibrium, it is a perfect place for us to reverse. I can see us wicking through this level, touching onto the daily equilibrium and reversing strong. The second level to look for is from 44,000 to 48,250. Now this is the weekly level that caused the massive dump in April 2022. This means that to confirm that it is just a retracement to the equilibrium, we need to see a lower time frame reversal between 37,500 and 48,250. But how do you take a lower time frame confirmation? I'm glad you asked. In simple terms, after price touching onto any of these levels, you need to see a lower low forming on the 1 hour, 4 hour, and daily timeframes. But as always, I will keep you posted when the time comes. I have daily live trading shows, educational videos, and much more alpha on this channel. So if you want to become a consistently profitable trader and you want to get the latest updates and best trades in the industry, hit the subscribe button right now and I promise you, you will not regret it. There you have it. This is the main scenario that I see playing out. However, as everything else, it can be invalidated. This is why it's important that us traders take whatever the market gives us every single day. We have scenarios, we play them out, and then we react to whatever the chart shows us. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, see you in the next video.